Hello y bienvenidos, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you kind of like my 10-minute go-to feel good makeup, my hair, and I'm going to show you two little outfits in this video as well. I'm showing you my May, can you believe we're already in May? I'm showing you my May picks from Fabletics. Part of this video is sponsored by them. But yeah, I'm going to show you like my super like easy, quick go-to makeup look as of lately. Lots of blush. It's actually minimal bronzer, surprisingly, but like nice coverage, makes you feel good, very refreshing, nice and put together. And I also show you this super sleek bun, my signature kind of go-to hairstyle lately. Surprisingly, during quarantine, I haven't really been straightening my hair. But yeah, all of that will be in this video. Hope you guys are excited, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've already moisturized my face with my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I'm running super low on this, but it's really like lightweight for everyday moisture. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this new fresh, oh, am I using, oh no, this is Kiehl's. I was like, I'm using all fresh products, but this is the Fresh Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. This is new. That's what the packaging looks like. And it smells like rose. It smells really good. And it's just this like little lip balm. I like to do my hair right after I get out of the shower because it's nice and like damp still. It's actually pretty wet. And I like to do it before I do my makeup too. So I'm gonna show you how I do my little bun that you guys are always asking about, like how I get it so slick down. I'm gonna show you the products that I'm using too. First, I'm doing my Unite 7 Seconds Detangler. This stuff is so good. I'm already like down here with this one too, but I need to get a new one. And it smells amazing. It smells like you came straight out of the salon. But yeah, this is just a nice little like detangler, deep conditioner. It's also a heat protectant all in one. Now that that's in there, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle with my Equal Tools paddle brush. My hair is growing too, since I haven't been straightening it as much or really doing much to it. Especially now that I don't have to bleach it, since my hair is dark, it's growing fast. It's almost like oopling. All right, so my part is pretty much already there, but I'm just gonna go through one more time just to like really make it solid. You can do a middle part, you can do no part. It's up to you, or a side part. First thing I do for the top part is I use this Got To Be Ultra Glued Styling Gel. I like to use a black one because it doesn't leave my hair flaky. I find that the yellow one makes my hair flaky. It comes out more of like a white gel, whereas this one is clear. That's what I've noticed. Unless I got like a bad one or something. But I take a good amount, rub it between my hands, and then I focus this on the top. This gel is like, once it dries, your hair is not gonna move. So I focus this mainly on like my roots in the top where I have flyaways and stuff, and whatever's left I kind of bring it down a little bit. And then for the rest of my hair, I take my Eco Style Olive Oil Gel. This one, it's not as strong holding as the Got To Be, which is, I mean, you can use the Got To Be too, but I just like a little bit more of a flexible hold when it comes to the rest of my hair for some reason, because then tomorrow I can always undo my bun part and retwist it, and then I'll have my hair pretty much styled again that next day without having to wash it. And I'll do a tiny bit of the Got To Be, like the smallest little amount, just to add hold here and there. Paddle brush again to brush my hair through and to start forming it in the bun that I want. You guys are gonna see my deodorant underarms. Oh well, it is what it is, real life. Okay, so once I have it in kind of like where I'm gonna want my bun to be, then I go in with my what is this called, my boar brush, one that's like this. It's more dense and it's gonna really slick your hair down and make it look like shiny. So you want to press down like hard and brush back. So there's one side. nice and slick. And then let's do this side. All right, so that's pretty much how I would want my bun to be, slick all the way around. But before I tie it up, we're going to hit it with some hairspray. This is the Got To Be Glue Blasting Free Spray. Another really intense product. It's gonna like lay your hair down. It's not gonna move after that. The day after, my hair is a little white, like it has a little bit of white. All I do is literally take my brush with my hands, put water, and it goes away, and I just touch up my hair. So if you have any like white flakiness, that you can just put water. It's literally super easy to fix. Like that. I'm telling you, your hair is not gonna move after this. If you fall asleep with your bun, you're gonna wake up with minimal frizziness. So then after the hairspray, I just go through with the brush one more time to kind of spread that out and lay it out even more. A little something like that. 2 of the extra thick hair ties. These are not the regular ones. These are extra thick for thick hair. So I take 2 of those and then I put my hair in a low ponytail. Okay, and if you get a little bit of bumpiness, that's fine. As long as your ponytail is super tight, then you can work from there. So once it's in that low pony, I go ahead and again touch it up and make sure there aren't any bumps. You could do like baby hairs and all of that if you want to. Lately I haven't. I just like more of that sleek, simple, minimal bun. And sometimes the baby hairs don't really go with me, to be honest. So what I'm gonna do is take some of this Cantu Edge Gel. You can use this or you can use the Got To Be. I like to wet my edge brush a little bit and run it through there and brush my little hairs to make them nice and slick. And with this one, you don't want to bring it any further than your edges because it does get flaky. You just do a little twisty on the back with your hair that's left. And you just twist it around. Create your bun. 1 more of the extra thick hair ties. Hair is done, nice and slick. We can move on to like doing my quick everyday little makeup look that I've been doing pretty much this entire time, the past few weeks during quarantine. But we're gonna move this over to my beauty room / office. Usually when I'm doing my makeup, I'm standing in this corner of my office just because all of my makeup is down here in these little things. So I just open this up and I pull out my makeup. That way I don't make a mess while I'm getting ready. And right now I pretty much lay out my brushes. Let me show you real quick. So I stand in this corner because my makeup's all right here. So I open it. Normally I would open it and I would just kind of set up, especially because my window's in front of me. So I have like all the light hit me right here. And if I'm getting ready real quick, standing up is just easier for me. But today I have my makeup sitting all right here, kind of lined up with my brushes on the desk. So it's super easy and I already know what I'm using for today because I picked out all of my products last night. Like I told you guys in the bathroom, my face is already moisturized, but what I am gonna do is do my eyebrows off camera just because I told you guys this before, it takes me a while and my brows right now are a little bit more on the messy side because I haven't gotten them done in a while, obviously. Let me show you at least what I'm using. I'm using, should I use this? No. I'll use my Brow Wiz today. This is in medium brown. Boom, my eyebrows are on. So now foundation, I'm gonna be using 2, I think today. This is my Hourglass Vanish Stick in the shade beige and my Pat McGrath Labs in the shade light medium 14. So this one I'm gonna focus more where I want coverage because as I've told you guys before, the Pat McGrath doesn't give a whole lot of coverage unless you go in with 2 layers. So Let me get my little mirror going. This one, like I said, only focusing it like on my cheeks pretty much, because that's where I need a little more coverage, and a little chin and on my forehead. So just like that. And usually this makeup look would take me literally like 10 minutes, but because I'm recording, it's gonna take me a little bit longer because I'm talking and stuff. But just blend this out. This is an e.l.f. brush. I'm quickly just working that into my skin just to even it out, not so much focusing on getting like the perfect coverage. This is newer to my collection. I featured it in a makeup tutorial I did with the new Sephora stuff I bought from the sale. I'm waiting for one more package to come in because I ended up adding some things to my cart literally on the last day of the sale. But I do have this Fenty Beauty cream bronzer in Honey Glaze. It's her Cheeks Out Freestyle cream bronzer. Looks just like this. And I take the Japanese angled brush. This is the 961. Tap it right in there and just add a little color to my skin. Just super fast. Very skin like. This bronzer is really good. I thought it was gonna be, I thought it was gonna come off like super intense, but it gives you something to work with. Like you can build it up and it's not too much. I think it's maybe the shade that I picked. It's like perfect for my skin. Now we match with the rest of the body. And of course I'm gonna set this because my skin looks nice right now. It looks glowy and it looks like very skin like I was just sitting outside getting some sun, but it's not gonna last me if I don't set it. So unfortunately I do have to kind of set most of this, but before that I gotta add a little bit of concealer. And I'm using this oldie but goodie Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Sand, which is this one. And this one I like, it has nice coverage. I don't know why I haven't used it in so long. I think when it comes to my makeup, I'm just a creature of habit. I just go for the everyday stuff that I use and I forget that I have other things. So just putting this all over my under eyes, and I am going to let this sit a little bit before I go ahead and blend it. A little bit of this Fuego Flush Blush from Fenty. It's this really pretty orange. I'm gonna use my finger for this. And I'm only applying it to kind of this area because it has a glow to it and I don't want to get too oily. I was on the verge of like never using this one again, but I finally like figured out the best way to apply it and in what order with other products, and I do really like it. It gives like a nice warmness to the skin. Setting with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, of course. I'll just use the same. This is an e.l.f. sponge. It's specifically for their camo concealer, but I use it for any concealer and then to also set. See? The skin looks really matte, but not too matte or drying or bland or whatever. You can literally just finish here and you'll be good. You guys know me, I'm not gonna stop there. I do need to put a little, actually no, I didn't use any powder bronzer, but I am gonna touch up my cheeks with, jeez, it's so annoying, you guys, you can't even explain. We're definitely moving after this, after Elise is up. There's no way. Okay, this Anastasia blush trio, I'm gonna use the orange shade, which is Miami, and kind of add some of that on like the high points of my cheeks since I'm not doing more bronzer. See how pretty that is? You can even kind of sweep some on there, but It's really nice. Whenever I wear this blush, I get a lot of questions about what I'm wearing, and it's this one. I wish they sold it just in one, like one little like huge one. To keep the skin looking and feeling fresh, I'm using my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. If you've tried the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara and you like it, I highly recommend trying the curved brushed one. I had no idea this was a thing until the other day that I saw it, and I was like, what? And I use the shade Black Brown, but it is the same one, same formula, just a curved brush, and it makes your lashes curl really nicely. And then of course with that same like formula, it's like super good. So that's what I'm using today. There's just one coat. I am gonna go in like 1 or 2 more times, but it makes your lashes look like really pretty and flirty. In the meantime, while the first coat dries, I'm gonna do my lips, strip down, and the Too Faced lipstick and skinny dipping. All right, and my makeup is done. You can see the blush, not too much bronzer for once, but it still adds like some nice color to the cheeks, which I love. So we can move on to the little outfits I'm gonna show you guys. And of course, these you can style to wear them like here at home to chill, or you can wear them to actually work out. It just depends on how you style them, of course. Here's outfit 1, which is the one I'm probably gonna be wearing today because I freaking love it. It is like this cheetah leopard. I don't know, it's a animal print set. This is a sports bra, but of course you can wear it like a tank or a crop top, kind of how I'm wearing it right now. And then these leggings have a thick waistband, which I love in my leggings. I don't think I've ever, well, recently purchased leggings that don't have a thick waistband like this, just because it's like extra support and it just makes you feel like nice and snatched. It also has a pocket for your phone if you're going to use this for working out. And of course you can style it with a cardigan, how I'm wearing it right now, to kind of dress it up or cozy it up if you're gonna be wearing it at home or to run errands, aka go to the grocery store. And then some earrings too, just to style it a little bit. Or of course you can take all that off and just wear it to simply work out. The second outfit is a little brighter, like this really pretty tangerine orange. It almost looks hot pink on camera, but it's more like a highlighter orange. And the leggings also have pockets that go perfectly with the sports bra. The sports bra gives you a little bit of side boob. It's like really low, but it's still very supportive. It has like this tiny little seam right here that kind of helps to hold everything up. If you do want to be a little bit more covered up, you can always throw on a shirt like this. This one's also from Fabletics. Like I said, if you just want maybe to be a little more covered around the tummy area, or if you are going to go run errands and you don't want to be wearing like just, I mean, it doesn't even show much, but just in case you want that little extra layer of fabric, you can also wear something like this top. And of course, these leggings also have the thick waistband and the pockets like I mentioned. You can always get any of their bottoms. It doesn't even have to be leggings. It can be any of their bottoms, 2 for $24 with the VIP link that I have below. You take the style quiz, you sign up for their VIP program, and then you can shop away every single month for any of your Fabletics picks, whether you're just styling them to chill at home or to run errands, or if you're styling them to actually get a nice little workout in. So again, all of that will be linked down below. And again, a huge thank you to Fabletics for sponsoring this part of today's video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for my like morning beauty routine, just kind of what I do really quick to get ready for the day. I can honestly wear this makeup look and this hair pretty much every single day and not get tired of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. All of the products will be linked down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I'll see you all in my next video.